I'm happy to introduce you my first video on my YouTube channel, and I'm happy to start this with my favorite makeup for the show. You wanna do the same? Let's start! Oh yeah, my name is Maria and makeup is my passion. The first step, I suggest to apply eyeshadow base, primer, or at least concealer. How I do this. It is necessary completely the entire eyelid to the eyebrow. That trick will make to stay your makeup a lot longer and will help you to blend as well. My choice for today is soft orange. For make the form of makeup, I'm using beveled brush and start from the angle of my eye. First time when you touch your eye, the movement of brush must be soft. And you should apply your eyeshadow layer by layer. Don't try apply all in once. Also, each layer which you apply, you must blend really well. And all the same procedure we do with other eyes as well too. Okay, and here's another quest to make them look same. But mainly this makeup, just follow your eyeline. In a bit I will show you closer how I blend it, but mainly you can see the form. Also we apply some soft orange under our eye and also blend it out. And before the final blending to the lighter part, I'm suggesting to clean your brush. That will make huge difference in your work and make it more clean and more easier to blend it all together. Don't forget that movement of your brush must be soft. You can also use different part of the brush for the best results. For make it darker and for more visible, I'm using Maybelline eyeliner. This already includes the brush, so it's very convenient. You must start from tiny line under your form and move slowly and carefully. Don't make a mess. Because especially when you work with black pigment or eyeliner, it's really easy to destroy your makeup. Line by line, I go more upper to make more visible black part. But don't do this just only thick line. I'm still trying to blend as much as I can with this pigment. I also try to do this quickly and until it's fresh, or later it will be impossible. And after this I change it to the opposite side of this brush in this special for blending. I can't tell it's worked that well, but still it's better than nothing, and still it's not the last step in our makeup. And for the next step, we will need black eyeshadow. I prefer matte. Mine is from Essence. And at the start, I'm using the same brush from Maybelline eyeliner. And just step by step apply on top and then a little bit go upper and out of this line. I suggest you don't use the big brush right away or you will make a mess. And only after we take this brush, the same velvet brush, but for black, I'm usually using separate brushes, or in opposite way, you will never get the clean blending. And again, don't pick up too much eyeshadow on your brush, please. And the same, we move very smoothly. Our brush just softly touch our eye and we still trying to blend it up. And after this, we change our brush to another one, which we will use for white or just clean brush, and just blending our new black with our soft orange together. You can actually use round or half a round brush, but my top is spiral brush. And also when you see it's not enough black, just apply a little bit more. Step by step you can apply, but never apply all right away. And the same we do with the bottom of our eyes. Add a little bit black and blend it together with our soft orange and to the skin. And after this we can take our favorite eyeliner and make line on top of our eyelashes. And again, I will remind you that when you work with black on your eye, please be sure it's perfectly dry before you close your eye. In that moment, I suggest you not rush and take your time. In this moment, I decide a little bit to change form on the top and just add a little bit more black for make it not round shape, just straight. And yes, when we work with eyeliner, I suggest to you fully do one eye and then start with the second one. The same, start from tiny line on top of your eye and just slowly add more and try to blend it together. Don't forget to change your brush if you need it, and just take your time. Check if you don't have too much eyeshadow or eyeliner on the brush, or you will make a mess. Another reminder, don't forget to clean your brush before you will blend black and soft orange together. And especially don't forget to clean your brush before you will blend soft orange to the light part. And this is my favorite part, to make them look similar, or at least not too much different. In this moment you can apply more black if you see that you need it. And the same, just blend it all together. But don't touch too much soft orange or it will become dirty. By the next step, I will pick up white, my perlmutter, and I use half round brush. I will apply this under eyebrow and a little bit in inner eye angle. And the same, I always blend all colors between themselves. Don't forget to do the same with your second eye. Yeah, because once I did. And of course I got the idea to add some accent, and I had to choose navy blue. Just apply this under the eye and blend with black. And oh, I got another idea. Of course, let's add some glitter under your eye. The same color as our navy blue. And yeah, be careful with your eye when you apply the glitter. Oh, and let's add some more. I will use on top on the white. Usually I can use primer for it, or even glue for eyelashes or hair gel, but that time I have nothing. Yeah, but this still can work. And again, don't forget to apply to another eye, and just also go from the one spot and just blend together. And for the show makeup, I suggest always use eyelashes. Until the glue on them are drying, let's apply some shiny gold on our eye too. Actually, my favorite combo is soft orange, gold, and navy blue. This kind of remind me nice beach next to the ocean. And there's the time to our eyelashes go in their place. I'm usually go upper the line. That's help make open look. And also for the show, I do darker my eyebrows, or in opposite way, with a strong light on the stage, it will be almost visible. The most concentrated of pigment I'm using on the end of my eyebrows. And I never apply too much at the beginning. And this eye gel I'm actually can highly recommend. By the next step, we do some contouring. I'm usually do dry pigments because I don't like to feel the mask on my face when there's like all this cream or liquid texture is too much for me. I also blend it all together. And also my favorite part is highlighter. For show, usually I'm using another one, but I decided to finish with this one at least before go, and do some contouring on nose as well too. And that's how my makeup looks after 3 show in the evening. Also, as you can notice, I add more stones on my forehead and some part of eyelashes on the bottom. For apply the stones, I'm using eyelash glue usually. And no, it's not that complicated to remove. It's actually take just 1 second. But yeah, it's for each stone, so it's take a time. I hope this tutorial was useful for you and you must enjoy it. Follow me for more and help me choose the next one. And please leave your comments. This will help me to make my video better.